Hi, and welcome to DIY with Jeannie. If this is your first time, I'm very happy to have you here. We do everything craft related. I do a lot of Cricut. Right now, I'm kind of exploring some of the things my Joy can do, but also what can you do with Cricut Design Space that you do not need a Cricut for? So those are a couple of things that I am, you know, working on and looking at and putting in. So today what I want to show you is I include a card. I sell online, so I include a card with every order. And I just get these blank cards, and a lot of them are thank you cards. Uh, they may say thank you on the outside. It may just be flowers or an image. And I like to get the ones with the image because then they're always different. But they're blank on the inside. And so I like to send these with a note inside from me. So what I have done is I have created a little template, if you will. So let's go to customize. And we're going to tell it what machine we're using. Replace, because we'll come back to that. Go back. I need to let it know which machine I'm on. Because I'm not on my maker today. I'm on the drawer. So let's pick that back up. Customize. Replace. And there we go. Thank you for supporting my small business. And then I sign it. And the reason I get these cards is because Cricut Joy has this little baby right here, which is so freaking cool. So if you want to make your own cards, this is the baby for you. You can take your cover, slide it in underneath. You slide it all the way in and you push it up against this blue at the top. Now, I take the liner or the cover off, and as you can tell, that's sticky. So I'm able to put my card down and have it ready to be printed. So we're just going to set it there. First, we're going to tell it to make it. And it's going to tell us, hey, remember, you need a pen in there because this is a print on CardNet. There we go. So you can see it shows you kind of where it is. I need it further up because my card is not one of the large full cards, so I want it closer to the top. That way I can sign underneath it. I've got it pretty much where I want it. Now we need to put our pen in. Now I did buy Cricut Joy pens. It's a 1 millimeter, so it looks like a marker. Or, let's see, it's 1, not millimeter. P. I don't know what a P is. UP. Still don't know what that is. Micropixel? I don't know. But they also have the very fine line. The 0.4. I like the 0.4. I think it comes out better. And all you have to do is open this little piece right here. Take your blade out. Put your pen in. And you're going to put it in to where this top lays even. It just slides in and stops. And now I can close it. Now, you can use other pens, but you're going to need to have at least one Joy marker because you only want it to go down as far as the Joy, not as far as your pen. So you're going to want to make a mark where you want that to be. So we have our black marker in. I'm going to say next. It's got to find the Joy. Come on. There we go. Found it. That. And now it wants to know what I'm writing on. So we are writing on cardstock. Insert cardstock. I loaded our marker. That's what it says. Now it wants us to load our card in. It's going to make sure that that's the thing we have in there. Give the lid. And we press go. And this way I can sit one afternoon and just do card after card after card and have them ready for when I sell something online. I sign it, put my little smiley face on it, and I can then send it in with the package. And I just think it's nice to have something hand done for if you're selling online as a thank you. I always use a sticker for the envelope, but this is just my additional, hey, thanks for ordering from me. I appreciate your business. I'd say I appreciate you for supporting my small business. So we will let that run real quick. Okay, it's finished. I'm going to remove my pen. I do this so that it doesn't dry out. For no other reason, it won't dry out that quickly. But for me, I just like to know that it's good. It's okay to unload. There we go. And there's our card. I should have put it a little bit over to this side, but it's fine. It still looks fine. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. And you can have anything you want to written on the inside of these cards, and it looks very professional. Use any font you want. I could have moved those together to where it blended better, but it's kind of the way I write, which is a combination of print and cursive. So that's just my style of writing. So now we can make up these cards in advance and have them ready to go at a moment's notice. So I would just sit and make 4 or 5 of them, and they would be all ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this. It's a real short little tutorial today, just how to, make the inside of a card. We all know how to build an outside of a card. We have stamps to do the inside, but you can buy pre-made cards, add a little something that's your own, and have it ready to go. If you enjoy content like this, I would appreciate a thumbs up. If you have not already, please subscribe and share with your friends. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023, and any help that you can give me would be greatly appreciated. I will have another tutorial coming up later this week, and actually I think I'm going to try to have 2. So I hope you're back for those, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Have an amazing week.